It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. What we're going to do today is talk about my top 5 picks. Now, these are going to be picks in terms of what I am acquiring right now. So, this isn't my overall top 5, but these are my top 5 for this month of April and going into May. So, let's get into the top 5 picks. And number 1 is going to be Bitcoin. So the reason I'm going to talk about Bitcoin is because it is without a doubt the most popular crypto. As you can see here as well, we've got the halving coming up. Maybe you can't see it, but the thing with Bitcoin is that it's basically the only sure bet. Cryptocurrencies are already risky enough to invest into, so you should have a position in Bitcoin if you are into cryptocurrencies. Also, if you take a look up here, the dominance is 46%. So 46% of the market cap is put into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to lead the way in the next bull run. Perhaps we're already in it. I feel like we've bottomed down here. But anyways, I just want to talk about Bitcoin. It's got to be number 1. Number 2, Cardano. I always talk about ADA. I got to show myself some ADA love. And again, for example, I am trying to give you ideas as well in terms of not getting into too many low caps. So I do have some low cap picks in this video, but you have to put something into the safer investments. So if we look at Cardano and Bitcoin, these are top 5, top 10 projects, right? So if you're going to get these top 5 picks, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. You want to make sure that you don't put too much capital into low cap projects because it's so risky, right? But Bitcoin and Cardano, we have a great track record. Bitcoin is more of a digital gold, it's digital store of value. Whereas Cardano, it's an all-purpose blockchain similar to Ethereum where you can build NFTs, have decentralized applications running. You have games coming out, one of the picks we'll have in this video. But Cardano, you can just simply do much more with it. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of fast-moving going on with Cardano, whereas Bitcoin is a little bit slower. But you want it to be decentralized. Okay, so anyways, that's my top 2. Number 3 is Copy. So we're gonna have to type it out here, but we're gonna do Cornucopias. It has been booming. If we look at the year to date, look at that. I bought here, by the way, just letting you know. But that's because I'm the moose. You're not the moose. Get that through your head, but you can watch what the moose does and learn. Also, like, comment, and subscribe if you wish to do so. But Cornucopias is a metaverse game. We'll even take a look at their website. Now, this is an extremely low cap project, but I'm bullish. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this project. They've got beautiful NFTs. Let's take a look at one of my wallets. They've got a racing game coming out first. They're doing that because they want to identify any issues with their big game when they launch it. And what better way to do it than to experiment and test with the racing game. So they've got wonderful assets. I love the design. When I think about the metaverse, this is it. I have several videos on Copy. I show you how to pick it up. So if you want to know how to pick up these coins, you can watch more on the channel. Okay, so check out Crypto Moose. I just did videos talking about it as well. But Cornucopias, this is actually like my top 3 position now. Pretty risky, but the moose is loose. So Minswap, this is a Cardano DEX, and I have a lot of Cardano in here, but it's just what I like to follow. So again, we'll do a quick refresh and look at the 1 year. So that's not bad, going from 2 cents to 4. If we go to the all-time high, yeah, I mean, Minswap just came out, so it's hard to really judge. But if we look at the 1 month, we're doing good, the 1 and 3 month. But Minswap, this is a DEX, so a decentralized exchange. You can provide liquidity so people can trade on the DEX. So we'll even open it up here. I am yield farming right now, so I'll even show you a little bit of what I'm doing. So I'm not just making up these projects. I am providing liquidity and earning passive income with these. But the reason I like Minswap is because the market cap is low. I think it's 25 million, about 25, 26 million. And with the math in my head, I definitely think if Cardano is going to be a big time player, this DEX could easily 10 to 30x. Okay, that's just what I'm thinking. Again, I'm not telling you to buy these. This is just what I'm doing. Now, number 5. This is another low cap. Verasity. And the thought is gaming will do well. So I was buying here and here. Hopefully we're at a bottom. And again, these are risky, guys, because if you buy here, right, or if you even catch a bottom, like let's say you buy even here and we're somewhat at a bottom, we could go very low. We could go down to 0.000001 VRA. But VRA, I think there's a lot of potential. Gaming is just going to be massive, and this project's been around a while, and I think people are going to gamble trying to get this project. So, with that being said, those are my top 5 picks for the month of April and May. These aren't my top 5 overall, but these are 5 crypto projects that I think are worth checking out. So do your own research. Also, we have online courses, so check those out, okay? In the link in the description below, we also have a masterclass coming out, so we will update that as we go. And again, we're going to do more content with JPEG Store, and subscribe to the channel. We need you all here. So it's all I have for you. We will see you in the next one.